Think your password is safe? Hackers might already have it. Watch this 50-step practical bootcamp to lock down your digital life today. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Practical Bootcamp. In this series, we are moving beyond theory to show you how security actually works in the real world. Everything is connected today. Your phone, your car, your bank account, they all live on the internet. This convenience comes with risks. Cyber attacks aren't just movies. They happen every day, affecting real companies and real people, stealing data and money. Our goal isn't to scare you. It's to empower you with practical skills to defend yourself and your organization. Cybersecurity is a mindset. It's about moving from leaving your digital doors wide open to locking them intelligently. In short, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. Almost all security is based on these three pillars known as the CIA Triad. Let's look at practical examples of each. Confidentiality means keeping secrets secret. Practically, it's like sending a sealed letter instead of a readable postcard. Only authorized people should see the data. Integrity means the data hasn't been altered. Practically, it's like checking the tamper-proof seal on a medicine bottle to ensure no one changed what's inside. Availability means the system works when you need it. Practically, it means when you try to log into your bank, the website is actually up and running. Who is attacking? It ranges from individuals looking for fun and to organized criminal gangs stealing for profit. Malware is malicious software. It's any program designed to harm your computer. Think of it as a digital sickness. Ransomware is a huge practical threat. It locks up your files and demands money to unlock them. It's digital kidnapping. Phishing is trying to trick you into giving up passwords. Practically, it's a fake email that looks real, urging you to click a malicious link. Social engineering is hacking people, not machines. It's conning someone into breaking security procedures through urgent or fearful requests. A man-in-the-middle attack happens when someone secretly intercepts communication between two parties, often on insecure public Wi-Fi. A DDoS attack is like causing a massive digital traffic jam. Attackers flood a website with so much traffic that real users can't get in. Keyloggers secretly record everything you type, capturing your passwords and credit card numbers as you enter them. A zero-day is a security hole in software that the manufacturer doesn't know about yet. Hackers exploit it before a fix exists. Sometimes the threat comes from inside the house. Disgruntled or careless employees can cause massive damage. Let's get practical with defense. Stop using weak passwords. A strong password is long, complex, and unique. Use phrases instead of just words. You can't remember 50 unique, complex passwords. Use a password manager. It's a secure digital vault that remembers them for you. This is the most important practical tip. Turn on multi-factor authentication, MFA, everywhere. Even if they steal your password, they still need your phone to get in. Don't ignore those update notifications. Updates often patch security holes that hackers are actively trying to use. Update immediately. Before you click any link in an email, hover your mouse over it to see where it's really taking you. If it looks suspicious, don't click. Always look for the padlock icon and HTTPS in your browser address bar, especially when entering sensitive information. It means the connection is encrypted. If you must use public Wi-Fi at an airport or hotel, always turn on a VPN. It encrypts your traffic so others on the network can't snoop. Be careful what permissions you grant phone apps. Does a flashlight app really need access to your contact list? Probably not. Deny unnecessary requests. The ultimate defense against ransomware is a good backup. Regularly back up your important data to an external drive or a secure cloud service. Cybersecurity includes physical security. Never leave your laptop unlocked in a public place or office. Lock your screen whenever you step away. Moving to technical defenses. A firewall is the gatekeeper. It monitors traffic coming in and out of your network and blocks anything malicious. Antivirus and endpoint detection and response, EDR, are your digital security guards. They actively scan your device for malware and stop it from running. Segmentation means dividing your network into smaller zones. If hackers get into the guest Wi-Fi, they shouldn't be able to reach your critical business servers. Encryption scrambles data so it's unreadable without a key. You should encrypt the hard drives on your laptops in case they get stolen. For developers, security starts with the code. Secure coding means sanitizing inputs and assuming all user data is potentially malicious. Organizations use automated tools to regularly scan their systems, looking for known weaknesses before attackers find them. Penetration testing is hiring ethical hackers to try and break into your systems legally. They find the holes so you can fix them. Give people only the access they absolutely need to do their job and nothing more. This limits the damage if their account is compromised. The cloud isn't automatically secure. It's a shared responsibility. The provider secures the hardware, but you must secure your data and access settings. Smart devices are often weak points. Always change the default passwords on smart cameras and IoT devices and put them on a separate network if possible. When a breach happens, panic is the enemy. You need a pre-written incident response plan that tells you exactly who to call and what to do. The first practical step during an active attack is containment. Disconnect the infected machine from the network immediately to stop the spread. Once contained, you recover your data from those clean backups we talked about. Then, experts analyze what happened to prevent it next time. Artificial intelligence is the future. It's used by defenders to spot attacks faster, but also by attackers to create smarter malware. It's an AI arms race. Despite all the technology, human judgment is still critical. Technology can alert us, but people must make the final decisions on how to react. To summarize this bootcamp, the threats are diverse, ranging from automated phishing emails to targeted ransomware attacks. The good news is that doing the basics, strong passwords, MFA, and updating software, stops the vast majority of attacks. Adopt a mindset of healthy skepticism. If something online feels too urgent, too scary, or too good to be true, it probably is. Practical cybersecurity isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing journey. New threats emerge, and we must adapt our defenses. Thank you for completing the bootcamp. Don't just watch, act. Go turn on MFA on your important accounts right now. Stay safe out there. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, share this with a teammate, and let's keep building a safer digital world together.